Hey, what's going on, guys? Alan Kushmarkov here. I want to share with you one open house tip, all right, that will increase the number of visitor signups when you're holding your open houses, all right? I guarantee you that, guys, all right? I don't want to use that word loosely, but I think you're definitely going to increase the number of signups when you're holding your open houses. All right, guys. So here's the biggest challenge I think a lot of agents are facing is when you have open house visitors, right? A lot of times I know it's tough to get their information, all right? In fact, there are some agents don't ask for any information at all. They don't feel comfortable asking, right? But there are also some agents that have these antiquated registration sheets or sign-in sheets, right? And they ask the visitor to sign in before they make any type of a connection or build any type of rapport, right? So instead of doing that, I want to show you guys what we use, what our agents use, and we call them open house feedback forms, okay? Very simple form. This is something that every agent in our company is using. And basically, it has 3 sections. The first section, honestly, this is important to you, but that's not something that we ask initially. The second section talks about their time frame in purchasing the home. And the third section is all about rating the house or ranking the house, okay? So while you're touring the house with them and you feel like you made a connection with them, you feel like they feel more comfortable with you and answering your questions, this is a great opportunity for you guys to ask them for this favor. And this is how we go about it. We say, hey, you know what, guys, as you probably know, this house has been in the market for about a month or so, and the sellers are kind of getting a little bit concerned about the lack of showings and the lack of offers, and they really want to know what the buyers think about their home, right? And can you do me a huge favor? Can you please take a couple of minutes and fill out this information? When you ask that way, about 90% of the time, they will say yes. They will take about a minute or two. They will fill out this information. Typically, they will tell you if they're in the process of buying or plans to buy. They will usually circle one of these time frames. And about half of the time, 50% of the time, they will put their name. They may put their address, their email, as well as their phone number, okay? You get that information, and by looking at it, if you see that they have a missing email address or a phone number, you can just say, you know, it's subtly, hey, you know what, what's a good email address for you guys? I would like to send you my contact information. Or what's a good phone number for you, right? I will find out more about what you guys inquired about the house and give you a call back. And a lot of times they will give you that information, all right? By asking them for the feedback, from my experience and our agent's experience, we're definitely getting more buy-in for them to actually sign up or register versus requiring them or requesting them up front. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you feel this is something that is going to help you with your business, please visit the website that we have. It's called becomebestagent.com, becomebestagent.com. We have their video tips on how to get the most out of your open houses. I also teach open house workshops. You can register for that as well. Or if you're thinking maybe possibly joining my brokerage or joining our team, feel free to reach out to us. All of our conversations are obviously going to be confidential. By submitting your info, we can definitely have a conversation with you, grab a coffee, or you can come in and check out our operation. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you next time.